Hi everyone, welcome to this series on English tenses. Today we will discuss about present perfect continuous tense. Are you ready? Let's start. The present perfect continuous tense describes an action that started in the past and continue up to the present moment. It means a continuous action that started in the past and still happening now. Let's understand with examples. I have been drinking my tea for 5 minutes. It means I started drinking my tea 5 minutes ago and I am still drinking it right now. Let's look into another example. I have been watching TV for 3 hours. The present perfect continuous tense focus on duration and continuity. Duration means length of time an action has been ongoing, and continuity means action started in the past and still happening now. For example, I have been studying English for 3 years. She has been working on this project since morning. The present perfect continuous tense not focused on completion and specific endpoint. With the subject he, she, it, we use has. He has, she has, it has. And if the subject is I, we, you, and they, we use have. I have, we have, you have, and they have. Now let's understand the sentence structure of present perfect continuous tense. To form positive or simple sentences, you need to follow the following structure. Subject, has, have, been, then verb with ing form. I have been studying English. As we saw earlier, if the subject is I, we, you and they, we use have. To form negative sentences, we just need to add not after the auxiliary verb has or have. For example, I have not been studying English. To form interrogative sentences, the auxiliary verb has or have comes first. For example, have you been studying English? Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.